Most people going into shoulder surgery aren't just worried about the operation itself. They're worried about what happens after, especially how they'll know what's normal and what isn't. If you're approaching surgery and wondering, how will I know if my recovery is on track? You're not alone. That uncertainty is one of the biggest sources of anxiety before surgery. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, and my work focuses on helping people understand what recovery actually looks like so they're not constantly second guessing themselves. One important thing is to understand that early recovery rarely feels clear or linear. Pain levels change, sleep can be unpredictable. Some days feel encouraging and other days feel confusing. That doesn't mean something's wrong, it means your body is adjusting. Many people expect there to be a simple signal that tells them, yes, everything is normal. But early recovery doesn't usually work that way. Instead, it tends to come with a range of sensations that shift from day to day. That uncertainty is uncomfortable, but it's also common. What often helps is having a realistic framework before surgery rather than trying to interpret everything in the moment. Knowing ahead of time that uncertainty is part of the early phase that can take a lot of pressure off. I've also put together a pre-op shoulder checklist, which is linked below. It's designed to help organize what you think about before and early after surgery. And if you want a clearer picture of what the early weeks often feel like, I have a video called The 5 Truths About the First 6 Weeks After Shoulder Surgery. That video is also linked below. And it walks you through the kind of experiences that tend to surprise people the most. The goal isn't to predict every detail of your recovery, it is to help recognize that uncertainty doesn't mean trouble. Sometimes it just means you're in the early stages of healing. Check it out. We'll see you next Monday.